Hello everyone and welcome to Drama Explorers Academy. Today we're talking about a very important part of drama, our voices. Our voices are like our superpowers in drama. We use them to tell stories, become different characters, and bring our imagination to life. There are 4 reasons our voices are so important in drama. Imagine you're a brave knight. How might your voice sound? Maybe loud and bold. Or if you're a shy mouse, your voice might be soft and squeaky.
Jeepers creepers.
Changing the way we speak helps the audience understand who we are pretending to be. If we're happy, we might speak quickly and with excitement. If we're sad, our voices might sound slow or quiet. And if we're angry, we might use a grumpy or loud tone.
Great, Grumpy, great!
Our voices help us show how we're feeling, even without using words. Sometimes we need to talk loud so everyone can hear us, like when we're performing. Other times we need to speak softly, like when a character is whispering a secret. Practicing how loud or soft we speak makes us better performers. In drama, we often work with others. Speaking clearly and listening carefully helps the whole team to stay connected and tell their story. Let's recap. Our voices help us play different characters. They show emotions and feelings. We use volume and energy to make our voices shine. And our voices help us work as a team. Drama is all about using your voice to share exciting stories. Keep imagining, keep exploring. See you next time.